guys, I have greatly improved my chimichanga recipe, so I just wanted to go ahead and film it while I was making dinner. So, you saw me put the chicken in. That was from some chicken soup, my basic chicken soup recipe that I make. That's the best way to flavor my chicken, I think. And so I always do extra so I can pull out some of the chicken for this. And then I've got the mild green chilies in there, and peppers and onions. And I like using the Kinder's, that I guess any brand would be okay, fajita seasoning actually. And this is going to be to taste. It's getting a little dry, so I'm going to grab just a little bit of water to go in there. But you could also use some chicken broth or your chicken soup, some of the broth from the soup. I do like to see the seasoning, you know, not really heavy, but I do want to see it and see there's a lot of chicken there that I'm just not seeing it. So, I'll give it another shake. Break that up a little. I find that using the chicken soup recipe, the chicken just falls apart, and that's what I want when I'm making quesadillas or chimichangas, or even like a chicken salad. Okay, so I can see plenty of seasoning on there now. I'm going to take this off, and we're going to get the oil hot to fry the chimichanga. Okay, so I've got me some in the middle. Might be a little full, but that's okay. And I've got some Mexican cheese blend that I'm just going to put in. And I've made up just a little paste of flour and water. We just want to go around the edge of the shell. This edge down here that I'm going to be folding up, I didn't bother. Oops, need a little more over here though. That's pretty dry. Okay, you want those to stick down. And then, after you folded it up, of course, you're going to need to add a little more here. And then start folding these in. Okay. Same here. This flour paste that we're using is just going to fry right up and cook into it, so you don't have to worry about that. And ignore my chipped off nail polish. Alright. Now we're just going to drop this in. We're just looking for it to start browning around the edges. Just another minute on that.